and turn on the computer. Woo! Turn on the computer na good! Let's start up the computer. Oh my god. Hello, over! What is that noise? See? Noise na siya. It better not be the computer. Ah! Natuara. Son, what did I say to you yesterday? But mom, I want to play this game. Take a trash. Oh my god, mag-take a trash na. Go. Where's the trash, Uban? Where are you? I need a trash. Oh my god, I need to trash right now. I need trash. Okay, let's go. Basbasan natin to. Let me think about that. Tuara. No. Ha! Why? Why over? No need to map the floors first. Ala, ako na lang trim yun ay tanan good. Okay, then. Tuara. Asa mang map diri? Ay, tuara. Hindi ka po'y nakusig touch kong cellphone. Over na na yung magipanghimo sa ako, mother, ha? I don't like that, mother. Ay, gas, Monday ni. Sanay, unsa to? Hello? Uy, ayaw! Hi guys, for today's videos, we will be gonna playing Need More Playtime. So this is a short game ranishal. So let us mag-play na ta. Mantay pa lang ngay-langay. So this is, kuha na siya. Ako na yung sagibasang ginan sa description, pero short. Kuha na doon na siya. Short, ano na siya? Short story. Let's go. Nana si Kuano sa school bus. Uy, binuwang naman na pagka-school bus. Uy, lag kilang dinaganan. Char. X. Namaning ani na ta? Si buhaton. Anay. Ay, nagditsura siya. Wala akong kabaon sa description. Abrihi. Anay, nag-lag na po niyang wifi ay. Oy, abrihi ko ninyo. Ay, panabangi ko ninyo. Abrihi ko ninyo, guys. Abrihi ko. Anay, tura na siya. Let's go. Adi mo niya ko. Amo din na kada. Let's go. Go to bat. Ay, tura. Wala na, stuck na ko. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's play the short story. So, gamay na kong record na ni mga 6 ata. Put the pajamas. Where's pa the pajamas, guys? Doubly na. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let's go. And turn on the computer. Woo! Turn on the computer na good! Let's start up the computer. Oh my god. Hello, over! What is that noise? See? Noise na siya. It better not be the computer. Oh no, did Mom just wake up? I just remember I forgot to do the chores. Natuara. Son, what did I say to you yesterday? But mom, I want to play this game. No, you have chores to do. Remember, if you get done correctly and correctly, you get to play. Yes, tinuod na. Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe I can take out the trash and play after. Take a trash. Oh my god, mag-take a trash na. Ay, tuara. Okay, let's go. Saan siya ibutang? Gamay pa ko nakuha. Isa pa. Kasi na yung mga trash ni Army. Let's go. Where's the trash, Uban? Where are you? I need a trash. Oh my god, I need to trash right now. I need trash. Okay, let's go. Basbasan natin to. Oh my god, I need trash. Oh my god. One na lang. Usa na lang kabok akong kulang. Okay, asang trash, Uban? This creepy mo na nga ni, oy. Nang uba pang horror nga ni mo na ni. Okay, let's go. Close na kay basing usod na tagwak. Okay, let's go. I love it, this game. Where's the trash, Uban? Uy, gitan or si mama sa. Uy, asang trash ang usa. Where are you? Unsa naman na? Lang be. View ko na to diri. Ay, to ready. Ay, uning tago ang kagwang. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Talk to mom. Alangan sad. Close na niya kwarto kay basin ako nag-address yung kwarto ko. Ay, to ara. Okay, let's go. Oh god. Oh god, I love this song. Kasi copyright ani. I have taken out the trash. Can I please play now? No, first go to make a cup of water, please. Okay, mom, no problem. Oh my god. Okay, give mom cup of water. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, where's the water. Woo! Asang water, guys? Asang water, guys? Ano naman ni? Give mom a water. Ay, ito ara. Ay, close na ni. Yan ni. Wa may unod. Ay, sabi. Sa baas mo kami. Okay, let's go. I'm freaking TikTok to mom. Focus to ni guys. Okay, candy. I love it. Thank you very much. No, now, please, can I play? No. Huh? Bakit daw naman filmi? Why? First, unlock the toilet. Is been paspasa pa silang kwan ay kaapas. Sige, let's go. Sama na maboy. Kalmahir ko na yung mga nabe. Okay, let's go. Hoy, pila mata ka oras dire? Kala ko mubura ni siya. Kaya mugod to siya. Mugod to gingo na short. Panagod na siya. Okay, I'm done now, ma'am. Thanks, son. I appreciate. Can I play now? Let me think about that. Tuara. No. Ha! Why? Over. No need to map the floors first. Ala, ako na like trim yun ay tanan good. Okay, then. Tuara. Asa mang map diri? Ay, tuara. Hindi ka po'y nakusig touch kong cellphone. Diyan namin eh. Paspas na kayo. Oh my god, limpyo na kaya itong balay, ani. I love it. Asang ikalima? Na dere. O, diba? Ang feels. Let's go. Ma'am? I think to something, I don't that's enough. No, excuse me, boy. Go make... Huh? Over. Over na na yung magipanghimo sa ako, mother, ha? I don't like that, mother. Para. Ako na dyan isunugo na yung balay. Okay, let's go. Hey, ma'am, here's your food. Asa na? Wow, thanks. This looks delicious. This now dig in, mom. Wow, that's good things. So does I mean I can play now. Not yet, boy. Please go to your playing card. Bro, hey, not like that. Stress na ko dito. Sige, ito ni pabumbahan. Ito ara. Ay, gas, Monday ni. Anay, unsa to? Sana. What happened? Saan eh? Look! Uy! Ayaw! Ang ingay! Hindi ko lang sa saba. Lurk ending. You can read, can you? Anay? Hala? Mura to? Hala, napislit na ko. Saan dito kong gipislit di ay? Hala, wala ko'y kalibutan. Sagdiin na kay taas mo po ng video. Uy, kala ko short video, short story. Unsa may mo to short story ninyo pero gibombahan ng balay. Hindi, wow. So guys, diri nagtama na tong video. So enjoy this video. Make sure to click on like button and subscribe and notification. Bye guys. See you until the next videos. Bye-bye na kay mag abangan natin mga susunod nating panaglaruin. Bye-bye. Love you all.